Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to activate your Mint Mobile eSIM. Mint Mobile eSIM activation. Check your device compatibility. Check your phone is compatible using Mint Mobile network. To check compatibility, go to Compatibility Check website under Quick Check by model and brand. Input your brand and model. Alternatively, you can also use IMEI number. Android, go to settings, then about device, then status. For iPhone, go to settings, then general, then about. Purchase a Mint mobile plan with eSIM delivery. Go to Mint mobile plan on Mint mobile website. Log in and choose your plan. Select eSIM delivery while purchasing the eSIM. The approved email will be sent to your mail. After reaching the order confirmation page for your Mint plan, click on Activate Now. Method 1. Activating eSIM using QR code. Scan QR code with the phone you want to use. Follow the instruction provided on the screen to install the eSIM and complete the activation process. If you are using Android, then you have installed Mint mobile app to install eSIM. Method 2. Activate eSIM using Mint mobile app. Step 1. Download Mint mobile app from Play Store or Apple Store. Step 2. Open Mint mobile app on your Android or iPhone. Step 3. Tap on Activate your SIM card in the app. Step 4. The app will then detect if your phone is eSIM compatible. Step 5. If it is compatible, you will see a green tick mark near device compatibility. Step 6. If your phone is eSIM compatible, enter your 11-digit eSIM ACT code from your order. You can get the ACT code from your mail, which you will receive during the plan purchase. Step 7. Click on Continue. Step 8. Select Get a new number. Step 9. Provide your zip code since the number will be provided based on zip code. Step 10. Click I am sure to confirm getting new SIM. You will be notified cellular setup is complete and name your eSIM. Step 11. Click on continue and the eSIM card has been activated successfully. Step 10. Enter your details including first name, last name and email address. Step 11. Agree to the term and condition. Step 12. Click on activate card, wait for the few minutes and click on continue. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.